Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to seal sheet metal. I will create start to the sketch. You can draw rectangle, click finish sketch, use extrude tools to convert into 3D. After it, use seal tools to create seal in the top here, and I will set again in the bottom. Click OK. After it, to convert into sheet metal, you can click in here, convert to sheet metal. Click sheet metal default and don't forget to change the thickness. Okay, you can set into 1 because we thickness this object with 1 mm. Click apply and you can close. After it, you can edit, like I will create bend. You can click at this corner, create bend and apply. Create again at corner, you can bend. Okay, that's it for a basic Inventor tutorial how to seal to sheet metal. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.